This is the second year for our science fair, and we are able to do this because we get a grant every year. I apply for it for the Evansville Rotary Club and the Public Education Foundation. Sabic Innovative Plastics out of Mount Vernon, they also are a community partner. So they come in and help the students sort of decide on what kind of project. They help the students do all the testing here at school, and then they send an entire department out to judge all the projects. And we have 5 categories that they can choose from.
There was like different websites that we could get on to try to find like ideas for a project. And I found one that I really liked because like most of the time when people see a certain food that's like a different color than what it should be, like they seem to think, oh well that's gonna be gross, or oh it's yellow, it's gonna taste like lemon or banana or something like that. The color doesn't actually affect how the food tastes, it's just how they see it that makes them think it's gonna taste different.
The purpose was to measure how much fizz was in how you mixed baking soda with different liquids and to measure how much fizz you get. We'd always just like play with liquids at home and blow stuff up, so we just kind of...
Yeah, and we just picked 3 different things to mix with baking soda. Yeah.
Vinegar and baking soda made 316.6.
And baking soda and water made 33.3, and then the fingernail polish remover was 0.
And they're measured in milliliters. So 316.6 milliliters of fizz was made from baking soda and vinegar.
My experiment was to test a snail's vision to see if they could see in green or purple. I think every hour to every 2 hours I would check to see if they would crawl up the sides on the construction paper. My hypothesis was right. I thought that they would go to green the most, and they did.
One day, me and my friend were playing knockout in recess, and we were thinking, well, that'd be pretty cool if we do a ball experiment for science. Well, we figured it out, we thought about it, and we traded rounds away. It was basketball, golf, football, and basketball. The physics was where the kinetic energy was pulling the basketball down, the gravity, and the kinetic energy was when it fell, and it pushes it back up, and it determines the height of the way the kinetic energy is pushing it.
My title is Can You Smell What I Smell? We have 3 fruits, and you're supposed to blindfold them and smell the 3 fruits and see what they got right. And the one that they really got was orange. It was 19 out of 20.
We have a first, second, and third place winner for each one. We have the best overall project in the science fair. We give out an award for the most creative, the most thought-provoking, and the most artistic. The entire 7th grade at Evans Middle School completed a science fair project.